Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing SHEIN open box. You guys, I have this box since last year. I just did not have time to open it, to be honest with you. Yeah, bad, right? So I need this mopping thing out of this box here so that I can mop the floor, because the one that came with the mopping head, it's already been ruined, I already trashed it. So yeah, so I'm gonna open this today, and I can't even remember what I got from there again because it's been last year. And yeah, so whatever you see, I'm just gonna show you if it's closed or whatsoever. I'm not gonna try them, I'm just gonna show you what it is, and basically that's it. Like, you guys, I'm terrible. Look, and I get 15% off my order next time. 69 plus, you put SHEIN 23. Didn't I tell you? SHEIN 23 since last year. We're in 2024. You see that? So that tells you I wasn't lying. It's last year box right here, and we're in June, so 6 months after. Okay, so my receipt looks like I purchased a whole bunch of stuff because the receipt is receipting. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so looks like I got some chain or earrings, whatever that is, I don't know, but I will show you the box or the picture or whatever came in this box. I will show you guys some. And I got some blue earrings. Okay, I got some nails. That's cute. Don't know what this is, but yeah, I don't know what is this. Yeah, but I'll find out. Okay. Ooh, got some earrings, y'all. Okay, got some earrings. Yeah, this is cute. Look at that. You can wear it with so many colors. Okay, look at that. And this looks like a necklace. Yes. Okay. Like I said, I can't remember. This was last year's stuff, you guys. So I'm gonna have to go to my SHEIN account and see exactly what I purchased. But some of this are basically self-explanatory and some are not. So earrings again. That's cute. I like that. And I got some beads or earrings. It said fashion jewelry. I don't know if it's just for my wrist or for my neck and earrings. I don't know, but let's see. Okay, it's a necklace. Okay. It's a necklace, yeah. I'm gonna have to see how this goes. It goes maybe like this. Okay. But it's a necklace, okay? So we know this now. It's a necklace. And I also got a very, very nice earrings as well. That is pretty. Look at that, y'all. Very, very pretty. Sometimes SHEIN is just a hit or miss, if you ask me. So They got another nails here. You guys, I did my nails 2 weeks ago and they still have not even popped. Okay, so got these. Okay, so this is what I was looking for, you guys. This is the mop head. It goes on my, yeah, this is what I was looking for. Why I even want to open this box. If not, it will still be sitting there. Gabriel, who's there over there? So give me that right there here. So you guys, this is how it look. So all I have to do is just snap it in on my, what's the name, to clean my floor. So this is the head of it, and then all I do is just put this. So, and then I got a new one because the one that came with it, it was so black and dirty. So yeah, so I got me a new one now. So yeah, very, very cheap, you guys. Yep. So I got two. This is another one. I don't know how much it cost, but I will definitely let you guys know how much that was. This looks like a dress. Yeah. So alright, so this looks like a dress. Alright. Alright, all the way down. Okay. So this is a dress. Looks like it's a little bit big for me, but we can adjust the straps later. It's that. I have another dress as well. I don't know if this is a dress or two-piece. Okay. This is a two-piece. I think I'm going to like this one. It's a two-piece set. And it looks like this. Okay. And it's during the summertime. And I like it. I think it's, it's big for me. This is a 2X. And then I wear 1X. So it's okay. I can still wear it. Because I'm not going to return it again since last year. No. So, okay. So that's that. And then this is another, don't know if it's another dress either. So this looks like a dress. Okay. Nice flowy dress. I can either use this with a belt or something flowy, but it looks too big. All of these are 2X. I'm like extra large to 1X. So there's a 2Xs. So yeah, I'm gonna have to use like yeah, belts on these, you guys. So that's that for that one. And let's see. I don't know what this is. This is to clean your sneakers. See? Brushes to clean your sneakers. Yeah. So I got 2 of them. Yeah. Okay. Got 2. And then this is another, let's see, black dress. This is a black dress. I think this will fit me perfectly. Really cute. So, okay. If it don't, we're still gonna have to make it work because this is last year item. So I'm not gonna take last year item again and return it. So the material is really nice. Okay. And I got me, looks like a bag. Okay. This is the bag. Okay. And then it's a yellow dress. Okay. All right. It's a yellow dress. Yeah. All the way down. So, okay. Came all the way down. It has, this is the front. Okay. And then the last one is this one. Okay. Is this one here? Nice summer dress. Flowy. Some of this, I might just wear this to the store or whatsoever, or go somewhere, you know, with it, just hook it up and just have a good time, basically. You know what I mean? So, alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I might have to figure out what to do with this stuff, so thanks for watching. Bye.